Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where I'm gonna give you guys weekly Bitcoins updates. And if you haven't subscribed already, be subscribed right now. And as I do a lot of weekly update, I will also post some insights on the Bitcoins and the price action of cryptocurrency. Alright, without further ado, let's jump right into the price action and see what's happened in the past week. So in the past week, right, you guys can see my Discord, right? My Discord where I show everything, right? My analysis, I show it right here. And we found out Bitcoin price has fallen sharply. Right? It dips below 59K. As you can see from the price chart right here, right? The daily price charts, Bitcoin's got a rally upwards, right? From last week. And then this week, it have a sharp drop. So actually what's happened, right? What happens during the past week? What really happened, right? In Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, where we see all these sharp drops to the 59K region. And I already said it in my Discord. If you join my Discord, you get the latest news, right? Latest news. Okay. So the market has been experiencing heavy consolidation. That's what I said and update in the Discord. A major contribution due to the sell-off by the governments, right? The government sell-off because Biden's governments hates Bitcoin, right? They hate cryptocurrency, and Trump said the opponents are pro-crypto, those that sell it off, right? And of course, the Japanese, right? Japanese carry trades unwind, right? This is because everybody borrows yen, right? We I said in the last video, everybody borrows yen and invest in other assets. But the thing is, Japan suddenly have the quarter of interest rates, causing the market to crash, right? Because suddenly the yen have an interest rate, so I don't want to borrow it anymore, right? I'll return it to the Japan, causing everything to drop. Of course, we have some Mount Gauss redistributions. Okay, so again, everything is updated here in my Discord. Everything is updated in my Discord. And what happened here is that, you know, all these things that I shared, right? Warren Buffett actually sell out a lot, right? Warren Buffett sell out a lot, and they actually hit 1 trillion, right? The Berkshires, is the Warren Buffett's funds, right? Investment funds. They actually hits 1 trillion, right? Outside of all these technology company, right? And right now the market is shorting, right? Market is in fear right now. Everybody is shorting. If you guys can see the funding rate, right? This is the funding rate. Funding rate is where it calculates, right, the amount of shorts and open, right? If there are a lot of shorts open, right, they have to give, right, paid out these funding rates to the long, right? If you're long the market right now, you receive this small amount of funding rates. So we can actually predict, right, the market right now, what's the market sentiment using the funding rates, all right? And then right now, Bitcoin is actually fallen below the 20 moving average, right? The 20 moving average, as you can see, is actually falling below. And if you zoom out, right, high time frame wise, Bitcoin is actually at a downtrend, right? Even though it's consolidating, it's slightly downtrend. And the market right now, right? The market right now is in fear mode. Okay, it's in fear mode, right? As I share in my Discord, right? It's in fear mode. It's pretty much very similar to when we are at the bear market, right? Everybody's in fear right now, right? Fear of recessions coming in, right? That's what happens. That's why everybody sell off, right? There's fear that recession coming in, but actually the data suggests, right, recession is not in yet, right? Recession is not in yet. Just that the market's in fear right now, right? All those retail traders. Of course, market also hate uncertainty, right? The US elections, right? Everybody hates uncertainty, right? It's very close race, right, guys? It's very, very close race. And Kamala Harris is actually anti-crypto, right? The the US, there are two sides. Trump's a pro-crypto, Harris are anti-crypto, and they're all scared, right? If Harris actually won, right, maybe there's some, rules and laws and regulations to impose on cryptocurrency. That's why everybody is selling off right now. And of course, September, right? Can you guys see this? September is actually the worst performing month, right? Next month is worst performing months, but we will never know, right, what will gonna happen Right, as you can see that actually some of the September that's are actually performing, right? Some of the September they're actually performing. We will never know. We'll see what's gonna happen. But just recently, right, all this bear market, September is actually the worst performing. But here's the thing. Q4, can you guys see that? Q4 is where everything goes up, right? The Q4, October, November, December, Bitcoin price will keeps on going higher and higher, right? Because right now we have anticipation there's a Fed's cuts rate, right? The Fed's gonna cut their rates, right? So we already know that when they cut the rates, the dollar index strength will drop, right? The dollar index strength, as you can see right now, the dollar index strength is part, right? It's bounced up from this support right here. So when they cut rates at September 18, right? Wrote down this date, right? September 18, when the Fed cuts rates, right? The core CPE, the inflation data will goes up, right? Because the rates drop, inflation goes up, dollar strength reduce, right? If when dollar strength reduce, that's where we can see, right, the bull market, right, the starting of the parabolic bull phase kicks in. So we will never know. Let's see what's going to happen in the upcoming months, upcoming days, and we will monitor the Bitcoin price very, very closely, right, very, very closely. So there's a tips, right, that I share in my Discord. Tips that I share in my Discord. Right, a lot of people are actually using CME Gap to trade. Right, what's CME Gap, right? So we can see the huge market sell off because of fear of recessions, and then the price actually goes up to the CME Gap and then goes down again. So what is this CME Gap, right? So if we go to the future market, the CME future market, right? Because of right over here, huge market sell off, right? Huge market sell off causing the gap right here. That's why everybody trades on CME gap, because 99% of the CME gap actually always get filled, right? All the gap always get filled. That's why everybody been trading using the CME gap. So you can know about that as well in my Discord, right? Join my Discord, link in description, right? To get all this latest news, right? And then right now, if you are using the smart money concept, we are actually at a demand zone, right? At a demand zone, right? But still, the market right now is in the fear state, guys. It's in the fear state. If you go to Twitter, we have two sides. Right? One side is telling, right, the liquidity grabs are gonna be at the 40K region. Bitcoin gonna drop until 40K. Okay. There's another part of the people in the Twitter that thinks that Bitcoin price goes up and forming new highs, right? 67K. So the Bitcoin price and the market right now is torn between these two. Okay. And then of course Warren Buffett's recent sell-off, everybody takes it as a potential catastrophic crash upcoming in the US market. We'll never know what happens. But actually Warren Buffett actually explained he sell out his share because he didn't want to pay a lot of tax. That's what he said. So we'll never know what's gonna happen. But if you look at the data, right, we are not near to recession. Right? We are still very, very far away from recessions because the core CPE, okay, the core CPE is still very low, right? So they're gonna cut rates, right? They're gonna cut rates, and if you look at an unemployment rate, unemployment rates, let's see, unemployment level, let's see. So unemployment rates, because it's going up, right? It's going up. That's why everybody is scared. But if we look at the past, right? Look at the past unemployment rate where it triggers recessions, it need to be way higher than that, right? Way higher than that. And they're gonna cut rates soon. So they're gonna control the recessions that if rates high, there will be a lot of unemployment because life is hard, right? So when they cut rates way before, way before this unemployment rate goes up, unemployment rates will go down, and hence we will not reach there. But everybody's in the fear mode right now, is selling off the market. That's why we have the two sides of liquidity, right? Two sides of liquidity. And one side suggests even right now we are at the week of accumulations, right? Bitcoin price right now is at the week of accumulations, right? As you can see, it's accumulating until the bull market when the rate cuts happens, and we're gonna go up, right? You can see S&P 500 almost at its all-time high yet again. Bitcoin price not near to the all-time price, right? All-time high. And then everybody was saying, right, in the future we're gonna have a market crash because of recessions. But recession is not in yet, guys. Right? In my opinion, recession is not in yet. And I will accumulate as much as I can. Right? If you want to go a step further, right? Go a step further. We actually have this automated crypto trading challenge webinar. Right? Yesterday, and the day before that, right, Friday and Thursday, we have this webinar and we did it and we have successfully completed the webinar where I teach, right, all the audience on how to use, right, codes to run the algo coding, mathematical statistics, right? If you use the algo codes and you found out very high Sharpe ratio, all these facts, you don't even have to monitor the market, let the codes run by itself, right? If you miss it, not to worry, you can sign up, right? You can sign up my next upcoming 2 days automated crypto trading challenge, right? It's at the September 12th and 13th, right? At night, right? 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. Right, you can join right here to this automated crypto trading challenge. The link is in the description, so you can sign up. Or you want to join my Discord, right, where I share all the latest news. Right, what's my insights, right? All my insights behind, right, the cryptocurrency right now, Bitcoin. Why is it dropping so much? Right, what's actually happening, guys? You need to know. Look at the charts and tell a story. Right, what's the market behaving right now? In order to know what's happening, right? Let's say over here, right, the yen trade carry because of yen interest rates. So everybody was returning yens and the smart money buy cheap right here, right? So all these things you need to know and what's happening, right? And the fear recession right now. And this pump right here, right? This pump right here, because Joel Perel, our friend Joel Perel, said that they're gonna cut rates in the future. That's why the market's been FOMO. I feel missing out. I feel missing out. That's why they buy and pump the price up. Then there are a group of people who, have a fear of recession coming in and they sell it off, right? So that's why it's gonna happen. Right, we need to know what's happening in the price charts and all the market sentiment. Right, then you will know how to trade. Right, I'll see you in the next one. Do sign up to my 2 days automated crypto trading challenge and learn how to use algo to trade, guys. Right, we can actually use algo to trade. Right, I'll see you in the next week. Peace.